This thing is not aligned so well, right? It's aligned well now. It's freezing, as you can see here. Oh, where this is coming from. It's just the beginning of winter. You will think that it's January. It is January, obviously. But the only thing is that you will think that winter is dying, but then this is when it's just beginning. How bad? I don't know. I don't know how bad it is. Just gonna check it out. Just walk straight and don't move, don't have these erratic movements that you're having. Keep yourself stabilized Don't move erratically up and down. Just keep it straight. Keep it straight and don't move sideways like that. Balance. You're the only stabilizer that's walking. You're the only one. You're the only one who's living on this planet. I am the only one. And you can't take that away from me. Well, try it or you will fail. Try it and you'll see what happens. Don't you know that's freezing? Shut, fuck you, fucking stupid fuck. Fuck you. Stupid. Fucking noisy truck. Get this thing off the road. Just making noise here. Go home too. Go home. Go home, Yankees. Go home. Go home, Yankees. Go home. Go home, Yankees. Tell the Yankees to go home. Go home. Go home, Yankees. Go home, Yankees. Go home. Go home, Yankees. Go home, Yankees. All Yankees to go home. Go home, Yankees. Go home. All the Yankees to leave. All the Yanks. All the Yankees to go home. Tell all the Yankees to go home. All the Yankees go home. Tell them to go home. I need you here. I need you here with me. I need you. You need me. I need you. You need me. Go home, Yankees. Go home. All the Yankees go home. Go home, Yankee. Go home. All the Yankees go home. Go home, Yankees. Go home. You don't need it. That was close. That was close. You nearly got me on the shade. Sorry? Oh.
Justice.
Oh yeah? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where? Where is home? Which country in Africa? Which one? Well, let's cross the road and go the other side. Let's cross the road and go the other side. Right? Let's cross the road and go the other side.
Yeah.
What? Let's cross the road and go the other side. I can't help you. Well, you've got to wait for it, right?
Have been killed and their organs ripped out of their bodies and transplanted into the bodies of rich Chinese and foreign accomplices.
Phone is not working obviously, so obviously you can't do anything with it.
Camera is more dangerous than a gun.
Dana?
Cameras sometimes are more dangerous than guns.
Exactly, that's true. That's true.
You have lighter?
No, I don't have a lighter.
He has one.
Yeah, this guy has a lighter, maybe. Ladies and gentlemen, State of the Union. Obviously the streets are like snowed everywhere. Can't really walk that far if you go far beyond here. Seeing as it is, drinking all the way down there. Like I one stone on the left, but he can't really turn. He wants stone on this other side. If you get somebody coming this side, and you're gonna tell me he's going to the mall, obviously. I missed a bus by 1 inch. 1 inch. That guy almost got my face. Look at this guy there, he's feeding there. The guy is a race car. Rally driver there. Oops. Look where you're going, guys. What? Look where you're going. Everybody's looking. Hey, hey. So are you crossing left or are you crossing right? You can't keep on walking on the road. Walk on the sidewalk. Why do you walk on the road? Well, I do what I want. I can do whatever I want. I can walk on the road or I can walk on the sidewalk. You can't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. I do whatever I want. I can walk on the road. I pay taxes, so I can walk on this road. I pay taxes, so you can't tell me what to do. What's going on here?
Nothing.
Oh yeah?
No, there's a guy taking some photographs for fun.
Oh yeah?
sorry.
I've done 21. I'm almost finishing. I've just got five of them more, and then I'm gonna be finished, and we're gonna go home and have some coffee in there and see what's going on. Because we turn around here, I'll cross the road and see what happens. I'm gonna go to King, and then once I reach King, see what's going on in there. Hey, hey. Hey, can you be my girlfriend?
That was the open one? Yeah. It's like, it was there.
Technically speaking, so I'm on Adelaide here. I just want to go downstairs to Union and call it a day. Get my PC and let the room dry. I've got 25 minutes in there. I feel like peeing. I feel like peeing. Hey. Is this a white girl? That's a white girl, right? Is she a white girl? That's a white girl there. Huh? Hey. Excuse me, could you help me with some change? Could you help me with some change? Okay, stop it.